Whatever you choose to do in this life, let it bring you peace. Life is far too short to be lived in constant tension.
You do this. Hello guys. Today we are at Lowe's today, and then yesterday we went to a party, and then my dad is off today here, and he's smiling, and I'm so happy that that is off today. Or birthday's that is off. But a long day it was. I think it's something 4 days that it's off. Bye, Fritz.
You buckle up? You ready? How's your day, Papa?
Daddy, be faster so everyone can
No, I just want to drive safely. Oh, it's so hot today.
Oh my gosh, Dad.